Hi everyone, it's Sandy here. I have a beautiful paper collection kit that I'd like to share with you guys, and this paper kit collection was sent to me by a Australian online store here in Australia called Sassy Scrappers, or they're called sassyscrapper.com.au here in Australia. They have a great range of paper products, your brand names, embellishments, adhesive. So they have brands like Make Your Homes, Hardy Swap, American Crafts, Pink Fresh Studio, My Mind's Eye, and of course your Prima Marketing range and your Tim Holtz products. They also at the moment have their new arrivals of their Christmas paper range. So for those of you here in Australia, head over to sassyscrapper.com.au. They have great products for you for your scrapbooking and crafting needs. Especially us crafters here in Australia, we do find it difficult to find great paper ranges and beautiful paper designs and brand names. Sassy Scrapper does stock a whole range of our favourite brand names that we see online and on our Instagram, and just projects that we see from others. So Sassy Scrapper have sent me this gorgeous kit. It's by My Mind's Eye, and it's their Bliss collection. So I'm going to share with you what they have sent me. So this is just such beautiful paper, really lovely. So I'm going to start off with these 12 by 12 sheets. We'll start with these ones. Look at this, is just so pretty, so soft. It's got some nice peachy coloured flowers, soft greens, florally, and that's the back, just plain stripes. So yeah, by My Mind's Eye, their Bliss collection. So that's one. Going to the next one. This is another favourite one of mine, and I'm going to make a few projects out of all of these papers and all the kit that came together with it. And I'll probably call them like Project 1, Project 2, Project 3, and I'm going to show you a few ideas of what projects we can make with these papers. I'm going to do a mini album, a flip book, flip book with a couple of pockets, just using one piece of 12 by 12. That'll probably be Project 1. I'm also going to do a journaling card, Project Life card page mini album, and also probably a mini loaded a tag flip pocket style flip book using the mini envelope punch board by We Are Memory Keepers. So I'll show you the papers, and then in my next videos I'll show you the projects I'm going to make with them. So this is another one. Look at this. This is just so pretty. Sassy Scrapper have got some lovely products. So yeah, please head over there. They also ship to Singapore as well, and the US. I think I showed you that one. This is another nice one. It's got some hearts with some gold foil on the parts. It's some more stripes there. And this is another one. It's really lovely. I can't wait to make some projects. I did post these on my Instagram page as well. And this is a nice vellum. This one is actually by Crepe Paper. It's a vellum heart 12 by 12 piece. So that one is a Crepe Paper. It's their Hello Love collection. So that's that one. This is also the Bliss collection by My Mind's Eye. These are some journaling cards, and this is the one of the projects I'm going to also show you what you can do with your Project Life cards or journaling cards and make them into pages in a mini flip book. So I'm going to show you how you can make one of those. So this is what they look like. Oh, these are just so nice. Look at that. I love these colours. Nice and soft. Lovely colours to work with. So I think this is a like a wedding theme, but still great to work with. I mean, look at the back. The backs are just lovely as well. So that's those. I'll put all the details down below for Sassy Scrapper's online store for you. If you wanted to go and head over and check out all of their fantastic range of products. And this is the Bliss collection die cuts with some gold foil accents. There's 63 pieces in this package. So that's what it looks like on the inside. I might just take some out just to show you what they look like. So I'm going to create the projects using most of what I have here as well, to show you with these embellishments on there as well. So look at this cake, isn't that cute? It's lovely. Okay, so let's see what else there is. So that's that, and this is just a sticker sheet, also a Bliss collection. So that's got a few lovely stickers there to use as embellishments as well. And of course, who doesn't love Prima Marketing flowers? I love their flowers, so I will probably use these as well in the projects. Lovely pastel colours of mints, soft pinks and creams. So that's what I just wanted to share with you. Oh, and also here is their matching enamel dots that you can use to embellish as well, to finish off your projects. So I just wanted to share with you these beautiful paper range and embellishments. And I'm also going to do the tutorials with the projects that I'm going to share with you. So stay tuned for my next few videos with these wonderful papers. So thank you for watching. I'll put all the details down below. So yeah, head over to sassyscrapper.com.au and check out all of their lovely products. Bye for now.